Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Azmina binti Zulkifly and my group members are ISABEL, VALENTINA, ANAK Charles, NURUL ULFAH binti SAMSU, NURUL SABRYNA ANIESHA binti ZAINOL ANUAR, and VERA KANUMPANG alias Fred. And we are from ELEK. So today, my group are going to present about online delivery tools, which is Google Classroom and Ufuture. But before that, do you guys have been heard about it? If not, let us help you to enhance your knowledge about this topic. So, what is online delivery tools? For your information, the term online delivery tools is used to describe a wide variety of computer programs, mobile applications, and other forms of technology that can be accessed through an internet connection, which improve both the lecturers and the students' ability to present and receive information. These resources also can be incorporated into any ICT-based learning program or software, both formal and informal. So, there are a variety of online tools available today that can enhance people's ability to deliver new information to students while also providing students with a variety of learning input and output options, such as Google Classroom, Google Meet, Ufuture, WhatsApp group, YouTube, and other relevant tools. Thus, our group has chosen Google Classroom and Ufuture as online delivery tools application to explain the process of its application and also comparison between Google Classroom and also Ufuture. Okay, so for you to know more about these two types of applications, I will pass it to the next presenter, which is ALYA. Thank you.
Thank you, Azmina. My name is NURUL ULFAH and I will continue the presentation on Google Classroom. So what is Google Classroom? Google Classroom is a set of online tools that teachers can use to give assignments, collect student work, grade it, and send back graded papers. It was made to help get rid of papers in the classroom and make digital learning possible. It was the first meant to be used with laptop in school, like Chromebooks, so that the teachers and the students could share information assignments more easily. As more schools switch to online learning, Google Classroom is being used by a lot more teachers to teach without papers. Google Classroom works with Google Docs, Sheet, Slide, and Gmail. Google Hangouts or Google Meet can be used to teach or ask questions in real time.
Ufuture is a platform to provide online learning materials to anyone who wants to take courses without attendance restrictions. This platform is specially used by lecturers and students at University Technology Mara. Furthermore, Ufuture platform offers a few functions that students should be aware of, such as UiTM courses, which provide a list of UiTM subjects and courses, UiTM Mode, which is massive open online courses, which provide access to unlimited number of participants and enlist more, and so on. Students at UiTM can also use this platform through a mobile app. So far, this site has been used by 184,148 students, 9,437 lecturers, 5,798 courses, and 800,887 items of educational content. The main objective of Ufuture is to enhance the quality of learning and teaching, meet the learning styles or needs of students, improve user accessibility and time flexibility to engage learners in the learning process.
Thank you, Sabrina. Now I will explain to you step by step how to use Google Classroom. Google Classroom can be used by the lecturer and student. For today, I will explain how students can effectively use this Google Classroom. To get started, you need to go to google.com and sign in with your email address and then enter your password. After signing in, click on the square at the top and then look for the Google Classroom icon. Click on that Google Classroom icon and it brings you to your Google Classroom homepage. As a student, you can join a class by entering the code given by your lecturer. So you can click the plus symbol at the top to join the class. Enter the code and click join. First thing that I'm going to show you is these 3 bars at the top. Click on this and it will show you all the classes that you are in. Now we move on to this to-do list. This is great because it shows you an overview of all of the classes you have, so you can see the things that coming up in the order based on the due in this assigned section. You also can see what you are missing by clicking the missing section. And for the done section, it shows every task that you are done. We can view the home page for every classes by clicking the class name. For example, English class. As we can see, there are 3 main areas, which is stream, that show you all of the activity that's happening in the classroom. It also show you any assignment that have been posted. And for the classwork tab, it show all of the classwork that has been assigned, either has been done or it's need to be done, or even missing. If you click on the view of your work link here at the top, that link gives you a quick overview of the assignment that you have either assigned to you or assignment that you are missing. If you click on the name, it expands the assignment and you can click view the details to see more. From here, you can see the description of the assignment. You can see the attachment that come with it, in this case, which is the YouTube link. In the upper right hand corner, under your work, you can add or create new document to go with this assignment. And for the people section, it shows the teacher name for the subject and also the classmate. Last but not least is another features on Google Classroom, which is the calendar. This feature will show you a week by week calendar of your assignment that are coming up. Click on the right arrow button to move to the next week. You can see all the assignment that you need to focus on. That's all on how students can effectively use Google Classroom. Thank you.
Thank you, Vera. Now, I will continue to present the process of using the Ufuture platform. First thing first is to log in or sign up to the Ufuture. So as we can see, this is the front page of Ufuture. In order to access the Ufuture, we must log in. For your information, Ufuture is one-of-a-kind platform which is used by both full-time and part-time students, part-time UiTM lecturers and students. So each lecturer and students are given an ID and password to log in into the system. As for sign up, it is only for non-UiTM users. The second is how is the layout of the Ufuture homepage. Once the student log in into the Ufuture, they are able to see the dashboard for student. At the side navigation panel, students are able to see some links. At the very top of the navigation bar on the right side, it is a list of icons that allows users to check the list of course codes for which students have registered for the current semester. There is also a bell icon that allows users to view notifications, whether it is from lectures or classes. And also, students' profile pictures are shown as well. So the third process is how the Ufuture navigation works. Now, we will review and choose one of the navigation panels. Let's take a look at My Courses and click View one of the courses as an example. After we clicking on View on the courses, the system will lead the student to the course content. This is where the students are able to download all the lecturer's notes. The side navigation panel has many options such as course summary, announcement, course content, continuous assessment, learning activities, course forum, online class, and group. The introduction of the course taken can be clicked on the course summary. It is where the information about that particular course code and course name is displayed. In addition, the names of resource person, total instructors, and total students are also specified. Besides, the navigation panel has a drop-down menu, and students are able to click on the options listed. So this is the last process, which is how to attach the document in Ufuture. Go to Continue Assessment, Assignment to see the list of assignment that is required for submission. The assignment dashboard will give some information regarding the start date and end date, and also see the status. There are two types of assignments that can be submitted by the students: an individual assignment or a group assignment. One example of individual submission. Sometimes students will be able to see the question. If the question requires the students to answer question inside Ufuture, the student may use the comment box provided to answer your assignment or upload a file. Select the wanted file to upload. Once have selected the file, they will be able to see the file attached. For a group assignment, the group leader has to add the team members inside. The group leader has to put his or her ID first, then followed by the other members. Once the name has been added, the group leader can submit the assignment by choosing the file. Once done, click Submit. Once the assignment has been submitted, the status will be changed to completed. Now, I will pass to our next presenter, SABRYNA. Thank you for listening.
Thank you, Isabel. Now we move to comparison of Google Classroom and Ufuture. The first element criteria of evaluation is security. For Google Classroom, Google Security is included. If you currently use Google for email and Word documents, it will not be difficult to delegate some classroom courses to access its platform. Google addresses the same security and encryption requirements. Strangers cannot access the dashboard, assignments, or records. For Ufuture, it requires students' identification to log in into the system. The security is guaranteed because it is restricted to UiTM staff and students only. Few communities and documents in Ufuture have a password to ensure that only recognized members or students can retrieve and download the files.
Next, I will continue the comparison between Google Classroom and Ufuture about the layout. So for the Google Classroom, students will see 4 main areas with the Google Classroom workspace, while the teachers have access to all the tools in background. For students, the interface focuses on the information that they need access to. The lecturer will post a task or an assignment only on the homepage of the class. Google Classroom has a simple and not complicated layout. It makes it easier to explore the platform without any hesitation. Next, for the Ufuture, Ufuture has a bit complicated layout, making the students take time to explore every features in Ufuture. It has specific location features that students can easily submit the assignment that has been assigned by the lecturers. The assignment may be submitted using the system which has been designed expressly for this purpose. For example, it can be found in the section of assessment. Second is about the notification. So in Google Classroom, the lecturer can inform the whole class about something. The due date of the task can be put on the Google Classroom home screen, and the lecturer can also send a message as an email so that everyone gets at the same time. Or it can be sent to the specific people who need to know about it for a specific task. An announcement can be set to the same time, like a notice on board, or it can be changed to let students respond back and forth. In the Ufuture platform, students are not yet notified when there is a task or an assignment that has been assigned by the lecturer. They need to log in first, which can take time for them to get an update on new tasks that the lecturer uploaded. The lecturer must inform the students on another platform such as WhatsApp group about the task or the file for the submission, and the students must be alert to the update. That's all from me. I will pass the presentation for the next presenter.
The next element is manage assignments. For Google Classroom has a lot of options that can help lecturers do more to help students learn from home. In Google Classroom, a lecturer can manage the assignments by setting up the folder for each assignment and then upload the documents that explain what needs to be done, give students more information, and give them a place to work. Since students get an email when they have a new assignment, it is easy to stick to a schedule without the lecturer having to keep getting in touch with them. Since these assignments can be set up ahead of time and sent out whenever the lecturers want, it is easier for the lecturer to plan lessons and keep track of time. When a student finishes a task, the students can submit the task through this platform in the folder that has been set by the lecturer, so that the lecturer can grade it and add comments and give feedback to the students. Using Google Classroom, the lecturer also can manage the classes. In the UiTM Ufuture, this platform has specific location features so that students can easily submit their assignments that have been assigned to them by the lecturers of the courses. Lecturers have access to edit the Ufuture portal, for example, to set the due date of the assessment or assignments. It is convenient for students to hand in their assignment through Ufuture, and students can resubmit their assignments work as many times as they want until the deadline.
Thank you, Sabrina. In conclusion, with the availability of many types of online delivery tools and mass media, students may benefit from excellent input as a supporter for virtual classrooms. Students who employ this strategy may accelerate the ODR process while making online teaching and learning enjoyable and simple. So that is all from us. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.